another correction where the market go below that previous 78K mark, or will there be another rally? This is my crypto weekly market update. And we're talking about Bitcoin, ETH, Total 3, ETH and Bitcoin Dominance, and Solana, as well as what's happening on the market, my analysis, what do I anticipate from the market from happening. Let's get straight into it. Real quick, before we start off, make sure you guys are on our Discord, link down below. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's get straight into the chart, right? As I said, my last previous crypto market update last week, I said we have a confirmation on this, this CRT, on this right over here. This right here is our CRT, right? We have a confirmation of CRT as well. We go from 4-hour IRL. I mean, we're going from a weekly IRL to ERL, right? We do have this other ERL, so we can go from weekly IRL to ERL, eventually ending up to the all-time high or go back lower, right? Well, there will be another push down to the 78K mark below it. That depends, right? Depends on how next week goes, because next week we have CPI and PPI. It depends, right? Right now, I do have a confirmation on this weekly CRT. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, the low, dug below that low right over here. So you can see, never, right when it blocked the below, dug below the low, it never gave us a model 1 confirmation. But there was no model 1 confirmation here, nowhere here, over here, right? Giving us the confirmation for this weekly CRT. Number 1 right over there. And that is for the weekly CRT. So it could still definitely push back up at that 95K mark and above 101 and at that 102K mark, right? Could definitely do that. Why? Why do I see it doing that? Why do I feel like it should do that, right? Now, I don't go based on my feelings, right? Because we have that Model 1 confirmation. It all depends on how this Model 1 gets respected, right? If it doesn't get respected, if it shows us clear sign it wants to go down all the way here, highly likely to get disrespected, and we will probably see that below 78K mark. We do see it get respected. We could go definitely see the 95K mark and 102K mark, and eventually the all-time high. You could even possibly see the all-time high, right? Because weekly IRL to ERL, and that's what we have on the weekly time frame. But how do we know what's going to happen? Simply by looking at the chart. Is it going down near the 78K mark, or is it showing us bullish signs, right? Or is it consolidating, right? Our market is currently bugging right over here. We as well have a daily CRT right over here, right? We have a daily CRT right over here. If you look at soup, but there was never a model 1 confirmation, right? So with this CRT right over here, still valid, although it closes below it. Why? Because we have a model 1 confirmation on the scan right over here. The lower time frame, you go to the hourly time frame. We're currently in that model number 1, below the auto lows, model 1 confirmation. If somebody wants to take this trade, just put the entry there, stop loss right over here, and go for the higher time frame. Be a look, it could be like a little juicy thing, right? And if you guys want to take this trade, I could definitely take this trade, man. 6-hour trade. Somebody could definitely take this trade and risk it from the 82K mark to the 95K mark. Put your stop wherever you want, like to. It's showing us clear that they wants to go down. They could definitely hold, right? You never know. Go back up, shoot up all the way to the 95K mark. You take profit. I can take profit over here. Take third take profit all time high, right? If I could, if I want to really take this trade, I could take this trade. But it's on the weekends because I can't take trades on the weekends for a profit, right? And in my investment, I'm not gonna do it, right? I'm gonna be cool off for a little bit, right? So this is what I have for Bitcoin, right? We could still have this. We have this one entry right here, which is very nice, very tight stop loss, but it's really risky though because market is right near the stop loss. Or you could put your stop loss roll it down here, get a better entry for this other 4-hour model number 1. That's what we have for Bitcoin. So do we know? It's gonna go to the 78K mark or the 95K mark or 102K mark or the all-time high? Is simply by looking at the chart. You don't have to go and look charting. I already give you the charting, right? All you have to do is just showing us bearish signs or bullish signs, right? Now, if you go to the weekly time frame, it's a big ass wick, right? This is a really huge wick, right? So this could as well be an OTE, right? OTE. So let me go over here, put down the OTE right over here, right? Let me see if the -80 got tapped or not. That's the 50% mark right over there. -80. Let's see. 79. Okay. Wrong way. Shoot. This could be an LTE to scare off traders that are right. That's why I anticipate a higher price movement because OT is definitely in the game here, right? Oh, I did it wrong again. I'm right over here. We just tapped the OTE right over here. The 79 mark just got tapped, right? 79 mark of the OTE just got tapped, which is a optimal trading entry for Bitcoin. It's a big ass wick, so the wick is gonna high likely get filled by 50% wick, and this CRT even close below it is still valid. Why? Because we had one confirmation of this candle. We do have an OT here. You can see how the market reflected right out of it. We definitely do have an OTE right over here. You definitely see a pushback up because of the OTE. Because OTE is basically a thing where to scare off traders that are actually right in the right direction. So if you're looking for a longs here, and OTE is all OTE does is try to scare you off from the position, right? So that's more Bitcoin. But definitely see another rally tap to the upside. And yeah, let's get straight to the other one right over here. In Bitcoin dominance. Let's go to Ethereum. ETH recently swooped the COT low, but a more confirmation. Market went right back below that low, not respecting it because Bitcoin had been showing us bearish signs. I feel like this is a very good price point to buy. You're buying very cheap. If you buy right over here at the 2K, it's at 2K mark right now, right? You buy right over here to the all-time high, which is what 4.9K mark, make a 144% gain, right? Just at the 4K mark, you're going to be making at least, you know what I'm saying, 100% gain because to play 2K to 4K is 1%, 100% gain, right? And for technical analysis, just like as an investment point of what I see is a really good price to buy, a really good price point to buy, but as in a technical analysis, it's not enough for information here, right? But on a 3 month time frame, we do have the 3 months here, and we do have the 3 month IRL to ERL, right? As well as we do have this 3 months here at T right over here, right? And go to the monthly time frame, we have this monthly CRT logo soup right over here, right? So you don't have a confirmation, it's the monthly CRT right over here. So we go from a monthly and 3 month IRL right over here to ERL, which is the 109K mark, right? Right over here, bearish ERL, monthly discounted IRL, right? Monthly IRL. So for Ethereum, as I said, is a really good price point to buy right now. It's very cheap. We have, if you want to look for the technical side, as a investment side, still fine. But even for the investment, you need to have technicals today, right? We have a monthly CRT, CT logo soup, we have a monthly IRL to ERL. There's nothing bearish, other bearish candles. So monthly IRL to ERL. Go to the daily time frame for the confirmation of this monthly CRT. We have a confirmation right over here. This monthly CRT. This is the monthly CRT low. You got soup. This is the low that dug below this. This is the low that dug below this monthly CRT low. We have not had a confirmation yet. So what I'm anticipating for this candle to dug below this low and getting a model one confirmation on a daily time frame, entering that trade, targeting the all the way this this monthly CRT high and the 4K mark and eventually the all-time high. I definitely will see you definitely will see a new all-time high for Ethereum. We'll high like to see that happening. This is very clear, the very clear monthly CRT, monthly arrow to arrow, very clear and very nice. And for our other, for the total three, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we are still in the same play. We still have this weekly CRT. We still have this model one confirmation to the CRT. So we're still looking for the same move. Market has just been consolidating, right? Market definitely could push down here, push right back up, but Saying what as of right now, we're still in the same place, so it has not been stopped out yet. Go to our Bitcoin and ETH dominance. If you go to the Thomas CT logo at soup, we're looking for a monthly number one, which we're not even close to it. Unless ETH catches up back to 3K mark or 4K mark, this will not go up high, right? So let's go over Solana, right? Solana, we recently came all the way down this low, but we have not dug below this low yet. But if you go to the monthly time frame, what do we have? 3 month time frame. I'm not 3 month time frame. Monthly time frame. What do we have here? We have a monthly. Right over here, we have a monthly CRT. CRT low. That's a weekly. Whoa. We have a monthly CRT. In this case, we have a monthly CRT, right? We have a more confirmation to the monthly CRT. If this monthly CRT low gets souped, we're still gonna be fine because we can use other monthly CRT right over here. So it's highly to get souped right over here. It looks like it gets souped. So if it does get souped, we go from like this, right? We get this monthly CRT, right? Monthly CRT low could get souped. Eventually, can go from a monthly. What else can go from here? Monthly, we have a 3 month time from here. Go from a monthly CRT, monthly CRT low could get souped. Or we go to the monthly CRT high. Eventually, go to the all-time high as well, right? So that's what we have for for Solana with a lower time frame. We have not dug below this low yet, but if it does dug below this low, we could have a daily CI's daily number one. Get that confirmation. That confirmation will target the 2234 and the all-time high, which is 295, right? That's for Solana weekly time frame. What do you have the weekly time frame? We do have this weekly CRT as well. You can see CD Lucky is soup. You can have a 4 hour confirmation to the CRT. This 4 hour CRT, this weekly CRT could jump back up all the way to the 180 mark, right? And these are my predictions. These are my anticipations. These are my signals for you guys. Our signals for the past 3 months of crypto has been 95% accuracy, right? So if you guys want to check this, if you guys want to get this, if you guys want to take the signals, go ahead. All in your risk, NFA, not financial advice. But yeah, we're done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys at Discord. Link description down below. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.